Most people think LinkedIn outreach is about sending more messages, but the reps getting 10 times more replies, they're actually sending less. Because it's not about volume anymore, it's about precision, knowing who to reach out to, what to say, and when to say it. That's the difference between spamming and selling. And that's what tools like Cleverly are built for. They flip the game from guesswork to guaranteed conversations. Let me explain. Most sales teams spend hours on LinkedIn doing the same thing: scrolling, connecting, messaging, following up, and praying someone replies. But Cleverly turns that chaos into a system. It finds your ideal prospects, sends personalized messages at scale, and helps you book meetings without lifting a finger. It's like hiring a LinkedIn SDR team without the salary. Cleverly process starts with building targeted lead lists. You tell it who you're after, industry, job title, company size, and it handles the rest. Then it crafts data-driven messages proven to get responses. You can A/B test different variations, optimize your outreach, and track everything in a dashboard that shows what's actually working. And it's not random outreach either. It's data-backed personalization. That's why Cleverly has been used by over 10,000 businesses, from agencies to startups, all trying to turn LinkedIn into a predictable revenue machine. And the result? Real meetings booked on autopilot. With features like lead exporting, AI-enhanced profiles for better visibility, and campaign tracking, so you always know your return on investment. Basically, Cleverly runs your outreach while you run your business. And how much will that set you back? Well, $300 a month for 250 prospects, or $400 for more scale. And there's a custom enterprise plan for larger campaigns. It's definitely a premium product, but it's built for teams that want done-for-you LinkedIn lead generation that actually delivers. But here's the catch. Cleverly only focuses on LinkedIn, and that's exactly the hole Salesforce fills in. Cleverly can fill your top of funnel with quality LinkedIn leads, but once you have them, Salesforce helps you convert them. You plug those leads into Salesforce to write hyper-personalized cold emails, automate follow-ups, and build multi-channel sequences that actually book meetings. Together, these tools turn LinkedIn connections into booked meetings, and booked meetings into revenue. Alternatively, you can completely skip out on Cleverly and focus on one tool to do multi-channel outreach, pairing LinkedIn with email and dominating the whole game. I talk a lot more about it in this video, so go check it out.